remember being here before. Eric off on the beach just to let you niggas know. Ain't nothing to a G, pussy gone, pussy gone. Taking it, I bet you wouldn't. Take a step, I bet you wouldn't. More money, more pride, more grins and more hoes. From my mind, free with me. Third eye frequency like Jesus be. I'm trying to free the slaves, young Mars, bad brains. No shame, no history, no name. I want my no rights, I'm not blind. 5 letters. If you don't stop here, useless, not with us. I'm saying we the dopest. Every new Britney's on this jump like ropes. I tell you rock your whip, nigga, jump, nigga, jump. Ride it down, what up? Run high, what up? All of the reapers, I live fight for your life. What's up? I consider myself righteous suicide. Baby, wipe those tears, please dry your eyes. Now I ain't need to what is pleasant. Why the mood you wanna live forever? They don't bitch, thought I would mention it. The labels are in the panic, has to be reprimanded. I act like I'm on the canvas, try to keep Harry Cole petty. Side chick on fuck the fence up the leader. I got the stench like a 6 cents. They shorty line from the floor to the store. Call it karma, killing, all we call it war. My conscience be nonsensical, instrumentals for breaking the mold for those who can't grab. Another body leaving the soul, so God bless the dead. Jews make them dying. Tracks, rhyming for my bird, so you say who was hate? Belligerent, move away. Got many maneuvers I bring you into today. And your religion, your experience to my memory, just slipping away that I'm tripping. Don't need to get lazy to listen to rap. I rap challenge with my pants sagging, middle finger to the law. Chicago. What's up? What's up? All of the reapers, I live fight for your life. I consider myself righteous suicide. Baby, wipe those tears, please dry your eyes. I ain't need to what is pleasant. Why would you wanna live forever? They don't bitch, thought I would mention it. Chicago make some Coca-Cola. Bless the pigs.
Hey, hold on real quick. Shit, hey, before we get into the shit, how many people here right now seen us before at the same motherfucking spot?
Bless the pigs.
So we've been here 2 times before that, right?
God bless the pigs.
Y'all gotta make tonight the most livest fucking night of the whole shit.
God bless the pigs.
Yo, they filming this shit too?
Oh yeah, they filming.
They doing that, right?
They filming this shit, so we gonna need y'all to turn the fuck up. So when I show this to my mama, she gonna be like,
God bless the pigs.
doing good. Turn the fuck up.
Word. So, I got another question for y'all motherfuckers. Y'all got drugs, a mixtape called Drugs, I got that shit?
Yes. God bless the pigs.
You got this shit called Better Off Dead? I wanna heard of that shit.
God bless the pigs.
I can do some shit on Better Off Dead? Alright, let's do that shit.